Hey Vikings, welcome back to another episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, get ready for some exciting ASB events coming up soon, so make sure you're paying attention. First up, we're celebrating excellence at MVHS with our Student of the Month recognition. Join us on Wednesday, January 28th at 12 p.m. in the ASB Commission Room as we recognize students who are absolutely crushing it, whether it's in the classroom, through leadership, or by making our campus a better place. Let's give a huge shout out to all of our honorees and their amazing accomplishments. And that's not all. The House of Representatives meeting is happening on Tuesday, February 3rd, during 4th period in the ASB Commission Room. This is where big ideas happen, events get planned, voices get heard, and school spirit comes to life. All House reps, make sure you're there and ready to represent. That's all from me, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Attention Vikings, MedReach at UCLA is pleased to invite high school students across Los Angeles County and beyond to an in-person or virtual Ready for Healthcare seminar. The virtual seminar will be held on February 7th from 10 to 12:30 p.m. on Zoom. In these seminars, students will learn about various healthcare careers and participate in mock case studies to gain a deeper understanding of the role of healthcare providers and encourage and fun activities to challenge their knowledge of medical terminology. Students will also have the opportunity to ask a panel of pre-health college students their questions regarding college applications, career choices, academics, and more. These seminars are also completely free of cost and are open to any high school students who wish to attend. We are thrilled to announce that in partnership with Rio Hondo Community College, the El Monte Union High School District will once again offer the Rio Hondo Math Academy to our students this summer. What is the Rio Hondo Math Academy? The Rio Hondo Math Academy is a free program designed to prepare middle school and high school students for college-level math. Through engaging courses, it builds essential math concepts, techniques, strategies, positive attitudes, and perseverance, helping students acquire new knowledge, develop strong skills, and gain a true appreciation for mathematics. By participating, students can complete a full year course in just the summer and advance to the next level when the school year begins. Earn up to 10 high school credits, finish advanced classes such as AP Calculus or AP Statistics before graduating high school. This accelerated summer program allows students to focus intensely on math, address any gaps, and get ahead at all no cost. We are excited to open the Viking Exchange. The space located in the Media Center is open to all students. We have many items you might need, including books, clothing, and school supplies. Everything is free. Please stop by on Thursday before school or during nutrition. If you want to request a visit at another time or have an item you need, scan the QR code to complete the Google form. We will do the best we can to provide the items, but there is no guarantee.
Vikings, a reminder that our cell phone policy goes into full effect this week. Remember to turn off your phones and place them in the storage area during each class time to avoid earning consequences. Phones cannot be out during class time, including trips to the restroom, or they will be taken.
As we start this new year, I want to remind you that feeling stressed doesn't mean you're failing. It means you care. High school can feel overwhelming at times, and it's okay to take things one step at a time. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. What matters most is that you keep showing up for yourself, using your coping skills and asking for support when things feel heavy. Remember to pause, breathe, and give yourself credit for the effort you're making. You are doing the best you can, and that is enough. There will be moments of growth and moments of challenge. Believe in your ability to learn and grow, even when things feel tough. I'm here at the Wellness Center to support you, whether you need to talk, take a pause, or reset.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the view. Starting off big, on Tuesday, January 27th, girls soccer will bring on the Rosemead Panthers here at the Viking Stadium in grand fashion as they celebrate their amazing senior night, beginning at 3:30 with JV up first and varsity right after. With the girls at home, boys soccer will head to Rosemead High School and kick it off first with JV, then varsity to follow. At the same time, wrestling will continue the celebrations as they host the Royal Knights with a special senior night of their own. Next, on Wednesday, January 28th, boys basketball will host the El Monte Lions here at the gym, with the freshmen first up at 3:30 and JV and varsity lined up after. With the boys at home, girls basketball will head to El Monte High School with JV starting it off and varsity to follow. Finally, on Friday, January 30th, boys basketball will again be host, bringing on the Rosemead Panthers here at the gym at 3:30 with JV up first and varsity next in line. Again, because the boys are home, girls basketball will head to Rosemead High School, starting it off with JV and varsity to follow. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA live stream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Welcome back, Vikings. For makeup today, we have Zara Larsson makeup looks. They're super colorful and bold. It's the kind of makeup that makes you want to step outside your comfort zone, add more colors to your wardrobe, and just feel more confident overall. It's a small reminder that color can really boost your mood and your self-expression. Now for the gossip side again, Zara Larsson is still making headlines after opening for Tate McRae. Since then, she's been thriving, getting more attention, more love from fans, and proving she's fully in her moment right now. That's it for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Death Metal by Pachinko. Pachinko is a rising artist that has been popping up a lot recently on the internet. They went from 300k monthly listeners 2 years ago, and now they have 2 million. Another popular song that is from Pachinko that you might even know is All They Wanted. That's all for me, Vikings.
Hello Vikings, for this week I have a brownie recipe that is very rich. The chocolate flavor becomes stronger because you add a shot of espresso that richens the flavor. This recipe makes up to 12 brownies. If you're interested, here's the QR code. Enjoy, Vikings!
Hey Vikings, today's game is Marvel vs. Capcom. It is a fast-paced crossover fighting game series that brings iconic heroes and villains from Marvel Comics and Capcom's video game franchises. Known for its tag team battles, flashy combos, and over-the-top special moves, the series lets players from teams of characters like Spider-Man, Iron Man, Ryu, and Mega Man, and switch between them mid-fight. The gameplay emphasizes speed, aerial combat, and creative combo chains, making it a favorite for both casual players and competitive fighting game fans. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, for this week's Spanish quote is No todo lo que se rompe se pierde, a veces se transforma, meaning not everything that breaks is lost. Sometimes it changes to something new. So what I'm trying to say is never take anything as a loss, but as a start for something new. But that's it for me, Vikings. See you next week.
Hey Vikings, the TV show I'd recommend this week is Gravity Falls. Gravity Falls is about twins Dipper and Mabel Pines spending a summer with their great uncle Stan in the mysterious town of Gravity Falls, uncovering supernatural secrets, battling otherworldly threats like the demon Bill Cipher, and ultimately learning about growing up, family, self-discovery, and the balance between childish wonder and maturity. This is one of my favorite shows and I highly recommend it. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hi Vikings, last week's poll results were 81% listen to music while studying and 19% don't. The new poll for this week is, which do you prefer, AirPods or headphones? Let us know on our Instagram page at MVHSVista, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Hey Vikings, this week's movie is Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is about a theme park where scientists bring dinosaurs back to life using DNA. When the park security fails, the dinosaurs escape and cause danger. A group of adults and kids must survive and find a way to get off the island. The movie shows how science can be exciting but also risky if it's not controlled. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next time.
Hey Vikings, welcome back. For today's topic, I'm talking about the hairy wide leg joggers pants from Urban Outfitters. These joggers are honestly really comfortable and super easy to style, which makes them perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're just heading out for the day, going to class, or hanging out, these are the kind of pants you can throw on and still feel put together without trying too hard. That's all from me. See you next time.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.